Hello everybody and welcome to another video tutorial on Novelty, and today I wanted to go over user input. And user input is super easy, super quick, so this is not going to be a long video. I realize I haven't updated anything in like a really long time. Life kind of caught up with me, but today we are going to spend a little bit of time on some novelty. So let's go ahead and get started. And today I'm just going to start up a sample novel interface. Right here I am going to go ahead and type in whatever, really, honestly, but let's see, what are your goals in life? And it's just gonna be a simple, quick thing. After that, we are going to add a user input. The get user input just simply means that you're going to get a response from the viewer or the player. So for the message, we can type in, what are your goals in life? Or, just in general, type your answer here, or here, type your answer here. And after that, it'll say either rename an actor or store in game variable, and what you want to do is store a game variable, and you're just gonna name this something that you can probably relate to this with. So if you were talking about flowers, you would probably type out flowers, or if you're talking about goals, you're talking about goals, So the variable is going to be goals because that's what I'm using for this particular question. And later, if I need to search for this, I can always put in a quick tag to quickly find it if I need it later. So something else this is good for is that when you use your variables and you are trying to choose your variables, make sure each variable is unique because you don't want it to pop up somewhere else in your game by accident either. So we're going to go ahead and create a new text file. Now this text file, you definitely want this to be able to fit your screen. So let's say you're making a journal. If you made a journal with this particular feature in it where a user can input anything that they want, you must size this down. If you size it in Novelty and you're sizing it to this spot, this is telling you that whoever is typing in will only reach this end point right here. Let's say if I had left it as is, if I had left it just like that and had went ahead and displayed my text here, it would be really weird because it would probably exit the screen at the end of it. So let's go ahead and place out the text maybe this small, and the user input will not be able to go past this text box. So I'm going to do it like this, and I'm also going to go ahead and center it. And I'm just going to type in user input right here just so that I know that this is where the text is going to show up at. Right here, you're going to delete everything, and you're going to put in your left bracket, and you're going to type in your $sign, and you're going to type in goals or whatever tag you used, and then you're going to close the bracket, and it should turn it into like this yellow color. So when that is done and over with, you're going to type in, you know, just something random, just here, good answer. Perfect. So when you press the play button, so let's say we're hitting the play button. What are your goals in life? And as you show, it'll type your answer here. And let's just type in like a bunch of nonsense. And I'm just going to Control C and then just straight up Control V that like a billion times over. And then you hit your OK button and it's just going to type it all out right here. Now, do be careful because whenever you type way too much, if it goes outside of your text box, it's not going to be included in your text box. So if it stops like halfway, then you know you've got your text box way too small, or you haven't extended the text box to its maximum length. So it's going to be a little janky. But yeah, that pretty much concludes it here. Normally, if let's say you're writing out your journals, you're going to have like several different text boxes. So let's go ahead and stop that. So let's say if you had like several things you were going to write, you would probably edit it here, and this would be as far as they could put in. So let's say you had several entries that you wanted to stick in there. You know, here is I'm trying to line them up here. Let's see, we'll put that one right there, and we'll put this one right there. So let's say you got goals and then you've got whatever this might be. So I'm gonna type in maybe flowers. I haven't made my flowers tag just yet, but let's just type in flowers for now. So if I typed in another one, so let's say we've got to type in yet another answer. What's your answer this time? And then we're going to go ahead and get a user input for my scripting. All right, and then you are going to type in something that says, you know, type in some flowers or something. Store game variable, and this one is going to be flowers. Now remember, everything is case sensitive, so if you have a uppercase and lowercase, you would have to make sure it matches. So this is going to be flowers and this is going to be flowers. So when someone is typing in goals, you're going to be typing goals, and then if you're going to be typing in flowers, then of course it's going to be flowers. So just to kind of give you guys an idea here, oops, we're just going to type all of this in and then hit the OK button. And then you're going to type in, what's the answer this time? Flowers, 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 flowers. Oh, I forgot to put a wait button here. We'll just set it for forever for now. let's try that again so that y'all guys can actually see the difference in what is happening here. And there you have it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you had, like, say, several different things that, you know, you wanted to type out per day, or have the user type in whatever, you know, that's how it would work. So I hope you guys have learned a little something today, and I hope it comes in handy. So happy novelty making. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.